Have you ever wondered how would transportation look like in the future? Many cities today are grappling with congestion, noise, low air quality and aging infrastructure. Despite wider mobility options and advanced analytics, the fact remains that getting from point A to point B is still stressful for many of us. Imagine a world where commuting is easy, productive, seamless, and stress-free. You could use a shared car, a bus, a bike, or even walk part of the way. Better yet, what if you could use any or all of these modes to get home from work? Mobility advisors could help you evaluate and select a seamless transportation experience for your daily commute. They could take into your consideration your preferences, traffic data, other circumstances to arrive at the most convenient and cost-effective route. New infrastructure such as transmit hubs, charging bases and maintenance stations would connect to existing roads and highways. Specialized fleet operators would be responsible for owning and maintaining shared autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world where your in-vehicle experience is secure and tailored to your personal preferences. To enable that world, we need both appropriate energy infrastructure and new digital platforms. Think about it. In the future, seamless and integrated transportation could help you get home, to work, or even to that sports game more quickly and efficiently. But does this future seem too far-fetched? Let's look at the past decade. We have seen the emergence of car sharing, ride-hailing, rapid advances in electric vehicles, bike sharing and e-scooters and more. Autonomous vehicles which were once science fiction are now operating on public roads. Just over the horizon are even more potentially disruptive technologies like flying cars and hyperloops. The global mobility system is changing more rapidly than we ever imagined, and will have wide-reaching impacts touching nearly every facet of the world economy. Each of these industries and sectors has a major financial stake in the mobility game. This space is changing at a rapid pace with significant opportunities. By 2025, the global mobility market is estimated to reach $1 trillion. A series of converging technologies and social trends are responsible for this disruption. Rapid advances and connected economies in electric vehicles coupled with shifting mobility preferences are profoundly altering the mobility space. Between the evolution of vehicle ownership and vehicle control for concurrent future states of mobility could emerge. We'll continue to have personally owned, driver-driven cars. Just like today, where you drive your own car, maybe with some driver assistance technology. Shared driver-driven, in which you continue to leverage ride-sharing and car-sharing services. But we'll also see a third state, personally owned, fully autonomous vehicles in which you have your own car but are no longer responsible for driving it. And lastly, the fourth future state, shared autonomous, is the one that could be the most revolutionary. Imagine an autonomous taxi service where a driver is no longer necessary. The bottom line is that despite the hype, we are not likely to see a full transition to autonomous vehicles, but rather a future where all four states exist in parallel. Even as we reduce our reliance on traditional own driver-operated cars, the speed in which we reach that future is dependent on many factors. From political momentum to availability of resources. Nonetheless, let's see, because this future of mobility will be here sooner than we think. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.